Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Amazon Fire TV app as a remote if you don't have your Fire Stick remote handy. If you've lost your remote or it's stopped working, no worries. All you need is your smartphone and the Amazon Fire TV app. Before you get started, make sure your phone and your Fire TV Stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. First, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download the Amazon Fire TV app. Once it's installed, open the app on your phone. When the app launches, tap Sure to allow local network permission so it can find nearby Fire TV devices. Next, wait for your Fire TV Stick to appear on the Available Devices screen. When you see it, tap on it to connect. A 4-digit code will appear on your TV screen, and enter that code into the app on your phone to pair the devices. If your Fire TV Stick doesn't show up in the Available Devices list, try disconnecting and reconnecting both your phone and the Fire TV Stick to the internet. You can also tap Set up New Device in the app and log into your Amazon account to help it find your TV. Once the app is set up, your phone will work just like a Fire Stick remote. You can use the on-screen buttons to navigate, press the home button to go to the main screen, and even use voice control through the Alexa feature built into the app. And that's how you use the Amazon Fire TV app as a remote. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.